AM review.
Yeah.
Adrian.
Yeah.
What are we talking about today?
We are talking about the highly anticipated, highly awaited, brand new, reformulated EHP Labs Beyond BCAA EAA. Yeah.
Formula.
Reformulated amino blend from EHP Labs.
Now, you were a fan of the previous Beyond BCAA.
I was a very big fan of the previous Beyond BCAA. A couple of reasons. One, it was one of the very first aminos to use the essential amino acid blend. It had the metabolite of leucine, and as well being very nicely flavored.
Yep.
Now,
so this one here, we noticed it actually does live up to its name of being just beyond a BCAA product.
It is. It's gone even further beyond by adding a couple of your focus aminos in the term of L-tyrosine, as well as huperzine serrata or huperzine A.
Yeah. Now this is something that I've always wondered. Like it makes sense for an intra formula to have a focus blend in it.
Exactly, especially like for people during a comp prep. I found that if the amount of focus you can get out of if you can get a little bit of amino acids that's going to help your brain in every single product, it's going to help the day go quicker.
Well,
so,
not only that, but it's going to make your workout a little bit more focus oriented.
A little bit more focus oriented, yes,
yep.
Exactly it. Now, we do have the amino 9 blend in here, making it a full spectrum of amino acids, but it actually has twice as much in the BCAAs, being leucine, isoleucine, and valine, for muscle protein synthesis and muscle upkeep. So to keep nutrient retention as high, so you can keep growing muscle even in a deficit, which is possible.
Exactly right. And there is another ingredient they've added in there. It's called Senactive. Now, I looked this up. It's a patented plant compound that promotes energy and muscle preservation.
Yeah, it's actually done by the same people who do neurofactor, estrogen, and the cordyceps blend.
Oh, right.
The same company in America does it. Now, I did a little bit more research into Senactive as well. Now, the way it works, it helps with macrophage phytocytes and cell clearance. So what it does, it takes out dead or inflamed muscle cells from the blood and helps promote the growth of new cells to replace them.
Ah, interesting.
So it clears free radicals as well as encourages new cell growth at a cellular level.
Awesome.
So yeah, it has studies back it up. It's about 5 or 6 studies. I want to read into them, but yeah, it's done mostly for anti-aging and cellular regrowth. So very interesting compound that they've managed to find. And they also have I just noticed they have a braille thing on the thing. So there you go. So you're like, Senactive. Sorry.
Yeah. So it's good to see. They have a visually impaired label.
They do.
That's what they call it. Now, beyond BCAAs, it's also, and even like before, it's a great value intra formula because it's 50 serves for $69.95. 60 serves. I'm sorry, 60 serves for $59.95.
Yeah.
So it's basically $1 a serve.
Yep. So there's 60 serves, 61 scoop serves or 32 scoop serves. They do have both the 1 scoop and 2 scoop blends at the back here, which you can read for your own, or if you're visually impaired, feel for your own.
Now, I did find I mixed up 1 scoop of this particular flavour, which is your peach candy rings. And I found that the 1 scoop in a shaker was just a nice flavour. I could imagine if you put 2 scoops in, you would really need to have a little bit bigger container. So if you're having like a, the big 2 litre bottles or something, I think then you would put 2 scoops in and you'd sip on that. But otherwise, if you're just using a normal shaker, I think 1 scoop is plenty, because the 1 scoop in that, which is around about 350 mils, I think, was a really nice flavour.
It was really nice. It wasn't
too sweet. It was just a nice peach candy rings flavour.
Had a nice natural peach taste.
Yes.
Yeah, it wasn't.
Now, the other flavours that it comes in is raspberry refresh, peach candy rings that we spoke about, dragon fruit, and kiwi strawberry.
I love dragon fruit, so I'd be keen to try dragon fruit. Yeah.
So, that's it. The new, revised and improved
Beyond BCA.
Beyond BCA, available now at Australian Muscle and online at australianmuscle.com.au.
And that's with free Australia-wide delivery on all orders.
Free Australia-wide delivery. Check it out. Thanks, guys.